Clommer, how to.
So shuffle the deck and then deal 3 face down. That is to each player. That is your table card, you guys. The remaining things, you sit there and move the cards around. After that, deal out 6 players to each player. The next thing is choose your table cards, like the ones that you want as a flip up 3 table cards. Doesn't matter which one in your hand. If it's an action card, awesome. If it's not, that's okay. You get to choose. Okay. How to play. So the very first person from the player on your left goes first. So you can play equal or higher than the last card that was played. So basically you can play a 4 or you can do something higher. Make sure you have 3 cards in your hand. After, when the discard pile is gone, then you can play on your table cards. So right now I'm just putting 4 down, or you can do a higher than that. You can't do anything lower than that. So if you have the same number, you can lay 2 of the same numbers down, and that pile is gone because you have the exact same number. That would be gone out of the pile. So if you can do like that, awesome. That would be gone. History. You can play 2 or 3 or individually at the same time. So you can play 2 tens or 3 tens, or you can play like that. If you do not have that equal or higher than the card, then you get to pick up the pile. If you have more than 3 cards, you do not have to pick up the pile, like from the deck. So if you have more than 3 cards in your hand, you do not have to pick up from the deck. If you cannot lay anything higher than lower, you can also lay a comma card, which is like right now. I'm going to show you guys what bottom ups is. Basically, you take it from the bottom, and that's your next card, you guys. 5 or below, you have to play 5 or below the 5 or below. So basically 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1. If you can't do it, you have to pick up 5. Or you can lay an action card. If you lay a table card, place a table card, you place a table card from the table. So it could be a 12, it could be a 8, or whatever number you have on front of you. The next comma card, you guys, you only can play 1. Just 1. And that card remains on the bottom. If you do not have any table cards whatsoever, basically it's blind, so you don't know what the card is about. This one, give a friend a pile. Basically, you get to choose who you want to give the pile to. It can be your neighbor, it can be anyone, but that card would be gone. There's only going to be 3, and they would be gone. After 3 cards are gone, of that, you don't have to worry about it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And I'm going to put a PDF file into the link in the description of the rules, so you guys can print them out and have a hard copy. If you guys want to download it, that's up to you guys. But I'm going to leave it in the description of a hard copy so you guys can see it. It's going to be on my Pinterest. So you guys can download it or anything like that. Also, I really appreciate all you guys' support. Um, Thank you for watching this. Good.